Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Cadillac DTS Luxury. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, traction control, window defogger, and power sunroof.